T-minus 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We have engine start. 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of Discovery, carrying the third crew of astronaut residents.
Booster Discovery, roll program. Roger, roll Discovery.
Houston is now controlling. The roll maneuver is complete, and Discovery is now in a heads-down, wings-level position, carrying the next resident crew to the International Space Station. 31 seconds into the flight, and Discovery's three main engines are beginning to throttle back to 74% of rated thrust as Discovery passes through maximum aerodynamic pressure.
Throttle up. Copy. Go at throttle up.
Discovery's three liquid-fueled engines are now back at full throttle, 104% of rated thrust. Discovery is now traveling more than 1,300 miles per hour, downrange from the Kennedy Space Center about 7 miles at an altitude of 12 miles. Data here in the flight control room indicates that all three main engines, the auxiliary power units, and fuel cells are continuing to perform well. 1 minute and 34 seconds into the flight with 7 minutes of powered flight remaining, standing by for the next major event, which will be the burnout and separation of the solid rocket boosters. And the booster officer confirms a good separation of the solid rocket boosters.
Discovery, two-engine maroon. Two-engine maroon.
With that call, in the event of a single engine failure, Discovery could now reach the transatlantic landing site at Morón, Spain. However, telemetry continuing to indicate that all systems on board are performing well. Discovery now downrange from the Kennedy Space Center at a distance of 56 miles. Altitude is 41 miles, and they're traveling at a speed of greater than 3,400 miles per hour.